sí. Vale, let's go.
다른 문제에다가 엉뚱한 거에서 저주 써갖고 뭐야 이거.
오.
Așa fost când mă gândesc că mai dream pants, parce que ne are sunt tare bine. Ja, ja, da caiu așa na, se mă pot esta otro. Sean colaboración Adidas esta noche. Claro, sea, la ofertoria.
Toma. Bai, está.
Eta entrada raruako dendiak. Osa, lehenengo sorpresa de izora patiko jarte ez da.
Ja. Ezin zeben beste gertero bat ipinin plan bestaldean.
Dolphins, I'll literally ruin dolphins. Brina has defense. She has magic defense, physical defense, and a. No, no. Es que no intenté.
Pero no va. Guay, pero ya está.
Ja, danago en plan cuello hau eta bi kremaiera.
Es que justo te digo de crema. Que te nos mueres. Visera polita guapa. Ay. Begiratu tetxera.
Ay, qué mal.
Yeah, I have an album. Yeah, it's Epiphany. I love Epiphany. It's such a sad song though. Yeah. I want to hear it live though. It's a sad song, but I love it. Oh my god, my biggest flex is that is my biggest flex that I have. You know? I'm so sorry, Peachy. Wait, the concert starts at 5. I thought it started at 6.
Foto, ¿eh? Pero salgo. Pero salgo. Sí. La cara de felicidad de Anne.
reach out and watch them grow out of only seeds. Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It is funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look in my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Never ever thought I'd find something quite as right as this. Not even late at night. In my wildest dreams. And I can feel the world changing all around me. I just wish they also feel all this energy. Look in my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Look in my eyes, what do you see? You're the only thing I need.
Escoge tu personaje en el GTA.
¿Qué quieres? Que no hace mucho daño.
Qué bonito, ¿eh?
이적 상업, 국제 거주의 테러, 산호수칼.
Situación. ¿Se ha puesto Catalina? Bueno, ya sabemos dónde está.
Noete pero siete. Podemos también entrar por ello.
¿Entramos? Mira, ya estoy viendo carta.
Entendible.
Hola.
¿Cómo superar al de check-in?
Ya lo tengo superado.
Eso. Ya está.